Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. Today I'm talking about the phrase for this coming week, which I'm suggesting that you could use the phrase me kaute ngā. And me kaute ngā means let's count the. So it could go with the phrase e hia ngā, which is how many of something, or it could be quite separate. So in our shapes book here, we've got a book, Ngā Āhua is about shapes. And so, for example, on each page, we're saying, he manua oku mati mati, my fingers make a heart. So on each page, a different body part is making a different shape. So in this one, he manua oku mati mati, and with all our books that's a song which goes, he manua oku mati mati, he manua oku mati mati, he manua oku mati mati, me kaute ngā manawa. And so me kaute ngā manawa means let's count, me, let's, kaute, count, ngā, plural, let's count the hearts. And then our fabulous artist on this book, Josh Morgan, has been, hold this up close so you can see them all, has been very excitedly drawing all these hearts for you to find. So on this page, we've got lots of ovals to find. And on this page, lots of triangles to find. So let's count the squares. Good luck with that. There's quite a few of them. Let's count the spirals. Let's count the rectangles. So me kaute ngā tapawhāroa. Let's count the rectangles. Because this is a song, it's not really that suitable for counting that during the song. So this is the kind of book for the counting side of it. Let's count the stars, that you could do afterwards as an extra activity. So as a phrase of the week, me kaute ngā goes all around the room. Me kaute ngā. Let's count the books. Let's count the children. Me kaute ngā tamariki. Let's count the teachers. Let's count the fish. Let's count the flowers, me kaute ngā. So I really encourage you to use that phrase this week and try and embed it into your brain so that it will come naturally when you want to know how to say that next time. Use it as often as you can all week. Ka kite.